Hello, welcome to my video. In this video I will discuss about 9 awesome Windows hacks and tricks that will make your life easier. First I will give you an overview what I am doing in this video. Windows is incredibly versatile. If you know how to use it, we have put together 9 of our favorite shortcuts, tips and tricks to make you Windows experience as smooth and easy as possible. Our first trick is shake windows to minimize. This is one of my personal favorites. If you click and drag a window, you can then give a little shake. Go on, try it. All the other windows you have open will instantly minimize, giving you a clutter-free workspace. Our second trick is deleting browsing history made easy. If you want to delete your browsing history, you don't want to go fish through the settings on your browser. Try hitting Ctrl Shift Del. That's all. Take you straight to the menu. Third trick is highlight address bar. Speaking of browsers, every try to highlight a long URL from browser address bar to copy or delete it. Why bother? Instead just hit F6 and the URL will automatically highlight. Our fourth trick is Ctrl Alt Delete. Most people will press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del simultaneously when their computer crashes and then instantly open the task manager. Instead, try hitting Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the task manager directly. After all, if your computer crashes, the few steps in the process, the better. You can of course open the task manager by right clicking on the taskbar, but this method has a bit more of a sight of hand feeling to it. Our fifth option is God mode. The Windows Master Control Panel or God mode is a shortcut to access all of the operating system's control panel from within a single folder. To create such a shortcut, create a new folder on your desktop or anywhere else and rename it to godmode.key. You can change the God mode bit, but make sure the full stop and the rest is the same. Once you have renamed it, the icon will change and you will have access to all Windows' most powerful features. Entering file names in the command line. Once you have opened up DOS and are trying to execute a file, the most annoying thing is typing out the whole file directory, like C, libraries, pictures, etc. Instead, try dragging the file directory into the command prompt and the program will enter it for you. It's simple. Seventh trick is go straight to desktop. This is probably the one I use most often. Remember when Windows used to have a show desktop icon on the taskbar? Well, now it doesn't need to because you can just hit Window plus T in case you don't know. The Win button is the one with the wavy Windows flag icon button between left control and Alt. Our eighth trick is rename many files at once. If you want to give a whole load of files the same name, select them all at once and click F2. Windows will append A1 or A2 to the end of each file name too, so you don't get confused. Our last trick is lock computer instantly. If you are leaving your laptop open around friends prone to changing your Facebook information for kicks, or if you just want to increase security on your PC, it's good to get into the habit of pressing Window plus L key simultaneously every time you will leave your desktop unattended. This is all from this video. I hope you like my videos. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button so you will get a notification of all my recent videos. Thanks.